Hi, Dr. Rad. Nice meeting you today. I am Brian from Kriss.AI. How's your day so far?
Hello there, Bri. Aside from being busy, I'm always fine. How about you?
I'm great. Thank you so much for asking. How's the weather there? I've heard that it's rainy season there right now.
Yeah, it's raining.
I love rainy season. And by the way, I'm here to introduce to you Kriss.AI, our AI-powered chatbot. It is an advanced AI chatbot specifically designed for the dental industry.
All right, so can you tell me more about Chris and what are the benefits of having Chris and specifically in my clinic?
Yes, that's wonderful question. Kriss AI, it's an artificial intelligence chatbot installed to your website that is designed to enhance patient communication and reduce the workload on a dental staff by offering accurate real-time responses to inquiries from patients, dentists, and staff. And also, Kriss AI is available 24/7, can give patient queries even outside office hours. So, it's like that you have a customer service in your clinic. And it is also aimed to enhance communication between dental practices and their dental patient. It can improve case acceptance rates and streamline office operations.
Okay, I see. And then,
Yes, Dr. Rad. I actually did some research on your dental website, and I've noticed that you don't have a chatbot. And also, I've noticed that there's a lot of good comments and reviews on your website. That's so amazing.
yes, so I am very happy because our patients are satisfied to our clinic. However, the income of our clinic sometimes it's not enough
Mm.
because few patients come to us, maybe also because we cannot answer their texts and calls or emails. I don't know.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, but don't you worry. I believe Chris is perfect, and Chris can help a lot for your dental clinic.
Thank you very much. I am given courage now to increase our income. So can you tell me what are the benefits of having Chris on my website?
Yes, absolutely. Chris AI is a new trend in our world today, especially in businesses. They increasingly rely on AI for several compelling reasons, driven by the needs of enhanced efficiency, like improving customers' experience, being always competitive, and rapidly evolving market. Also, because it can make your work style, easy. While other general AI systems are versatile and effective across other various industries, Craze AI is focused on dentistry. Make it a superior choice for dental practices looking to improve patients' interaction and case acceptance rate.
Oh, I see. It's so nice.
Did you know that Chris can explain detailed information to the patient, like the cost of all procedures you offer, even the hidden charges?
Oh, really? How?
Oh, yes. Let me show you how. Okay, I'll provide you a link so that I can walk you through the process and you can see for yourself how great Chris AI is. So I'm gonna uh, share my screen. Give me 1 second. Okay, share the screen. So here. All right. Okay, so can you see my screen now?
Yes, Bri.
All right, so that's awesome. So as you can see, I searched here the ideadentistry.com. This is one of our dental practice that is currently subscribed. So now here, give me 1 second. Let me operate. Okay. So here, just 1 second. So I'll give you some prompt for this one. So for example, um, your patient is asking on your website. So, how much is the root canal for his or her um, uh, tooth? Okay, number 15. Okay, so here, so as you can see, in just a few seconds, it shows here the range amount of the root canal for his tooth. And okay, here are another prompts. So, remedy also. Okay, what are the home remedies for the toothache? Okay, let's see. All right. So here, so as you can see, Kriss.AI provide, yeah, easy to follow steps on how to relieve the toothache of a patient. Okay, so hmm? So what can you say, Doc?
It's very amazing. I was so amazed right now.
All right, thank you so much. And here are some examples. And by the way, um, did you know that Kriss.AI is a multilingual? So, for example, your patient is a, let's say your patient is a Filipino. So, let's try the Tagalog words. So, here are the prompts. Okay. So, this is translated to Tagalog words. So, let me translate to you, okay? So, your patient has a toothache because of his braces. So, and asking for the medicines, how to relieve the pain of his
All
tooth.
right.
Okay, so let's check. So, as you can see, Chris AI provided Tagalog words, Tagalog answer that the patient is easy to understand. All right. So, now, here, so I want to challenge you. What question do you want to ask to Chris?
Okay, so all right, here. Create a clinical note for my patient Rebecca Smith, 19-year-old, and a root canal.
All right. Okay, so give me 1 second. So, clinical note for Rebecca Smith, 19 years old, root canal. Okay, so here, let's. Okay. All right, so as you can see, uh, Chris AI created a clinical notes in just a few seconds. And Chris AI is a user friendly and not time consuming to operate. So I believe that your staff will be happy using Chris, especially your patient. Not only that, did you know that Chris can provide a troubleshooting to your dental equipment?
Oh, really?
Oh
How?
yes. All right.
How?
So sure. Uh, I'll give you. Can you give me one of your dental equipment?
Okay, okay, that would be OPG X-ray machine. Try that.
All right, sure. So, for example, that your OPG X-ray machine has no light, so we are asking to uh, Chris for the troubleshooting steps. All right, so let's wait for a few seconds. Okay. All right, there. So as you can see, um, Chris is provided easy to follow and understandable troubleshooting steps. And because of the troubleshooting steps, you don't need to call or hire a technician to check what's the problem of your x-ray machine. And also the good news of that is you can save a lot of money. That's what we want, right?
Yes, that's true. So Chris was so amazing. But I have a question, Bri.
Sure.
About the privacy of my patient, can they
Mhm.
also see their data and information with Chris AI?
So that's the good question, Dr. Rad. And we don't have any HIPAA issues because Chris AI does not connected to dentist patient management system, and we don't have access to the private health information. So your patient data is very, very safe.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that, Bri. You
Thank you.
know, I'm so amazed with Chris AI right now. It's so interesting and it's very helpful.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rad, and that you found all the informations helpful. And of course, as a dentist, your priority is providing care to your patients, and that's exactly what we are here to assist you today. So I'm sure that you are now impressed. And by the way, Not only that, also by investing Chris AI, it can offer a significant ROI. So for dental practice, through various benefits that enhance patients' experience, streamline operations, and increase revenue that are more likely to return for the future treatment and refer others. And also, it can increase patient retention and new patient acquisition by also getting savings on training expenses and improved staff's competency leads to fewer errors and better patient care and reducing website abandonment.
So I'm glad to hear that, Bryce. So the question now is, how much is Kriss.AI?
Oh, yes. That's another good question, Dr. Rad. So, Chris AI, our monthly subscription is only $199, and we have a one time payment of $500 for the setup fee.
$500 for the setup fee? I think that's too much.
Oh, okay. So, Dr. Rad, Chris AI is made specifically for dental practices, and it will give offer features that cheaper options might not have. So, Chris responses are specific and accurate for dental practices, and the setup fee is to tailor the chatbot to understand and respond to the unique terminologies treatment and procedures, especially, um, to your own practice by investing in the setup fee. And you ensure that Chris AI is also optimally configured to meet the specific needs of your dental practice. It can enhance patient engagement and improving overall efficiency as well.
All right. Got it, Bry. Thank you.
All right, thank you. And just give me 1 second. Let me stop sharing my screen.
All
All
right.
right. Okay, so that's wonderful, Dr. Rad. Now that you've seen all the great features and benefits of Chris AI, um, can we confirm your subscriptions for today?
Yeah, I love it so much, Bry, and I will subscribe to Chris and I am very excited.
All right, that's wonderful. Thank you so much, Dr. Rad, for your subscription. And expect that our onboarding team will reach out to you with a questionnaire, and they will discuss your practices specific needs and goals, and also uh, we will with you to customize the service to fit your requirements. And thank you so much. I really appreciate your time for being me today and also for your subscription.
All right. Thank you, Bry.
All right, you're welcome, Dr. Rad. And we are very excited that Chris will have a big impact on your dental practice. And by the way, before we end this call, is there anything else that I can help you with today?
No, that's all for me.
All right, thank you so much, Dr. Rad. Have a wonderful day.
All right. Bye.
All right, thank you. Bye bye.